Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First of all, I'm going to be on Fox Business tomorrow at the top of the hour at 2 o'clock Eastern, so I hope you'll check it out. I'm going to just a preview of coming attractions. I'm going to tell you about this bullish wedge pattern here. It's a megaphone pattern. And also this bullish cup and handle. Same thing in the NASDAQ, cup and handle on the weekly and a bullish pattern here on the daily, looking for some kind of abbreviated pullback and then a move higher. So that is what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. What are you going to be doing other than watching me? Now, this one, Miniso Group Holding, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it doesn't matter because it's MNSO, and I know how to say that. So this is in a really, really good solid squeeze pattern here. As you guys can see, I've been kind of analyzing this for a while here. But they report earnings on the same day as NVIDIA does. And so, well, I already kind of have a trend line started to be drawn there about tops. And so here we are. I don't want to get too micro on this because the big event is going to be earnings, not like exactly what it did today. I don't care. This is what you want to know. If the stock happens to break above 28 bucks, then I think this stock is likely to really go on a tear because this is a really, really long base that it was in. It broke out of that, and now it's just formed another base that goes back for a couple months. If you look at it on the weekly chart, you'll see kind of a similar thing here, a really tight range here, a nice move to the upside, and then another looks like kind of a tightening range here as well. So I'm looking for more upside for this stock, but not from here because you could very easily see this stock fall. So I'm not dogmatic about this. I'm just saying, I'll put it this way. I wouldn't touch this stock unless it broke above 28 bucks. I think I can just leave it with there. If it breaks 28 bucks, then it's a different deal. But until it does, I would just be watching it to see if it does. All right, see you guys next time.